Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing the mid muffler delete video that I've been wanting to do. I did have these laying around in there. They are from Daniel from BlackTopGraphix. He did send me these a while back. So we're going to go ahead and finally install these. I did find a good spot I want to go ahead and install these at. It's going to be in these back side pieces. So we're going to go ahead and install it. Really simple install, so I wanted to get this installed in here before I got to the mid muffler delete video. Alright, on our way to get this mid muffler delete on the Scat pack and compare the sounds. So currently heading over to the spot. Let's check it out. This is a cold start on the black Scat. Right now it's 4:25 a.m. This is how the stock exhaust sounds. This is a cold start. It's 8 a.m. Let's hear it.